more, we're joined by Farah Murad in Dubai. She's a senior market analyst at Equiti Group. Welcome back to TRT World, Farah. Now, investors seem to have shrugged fears of those looming tariffs, but at the same time, Asian stocks are losing previous gains. Give us a sense of the overall sentiment.
Thank you, Taiba, for having me. I would say there's a curious divergence. Investors are definitely not in panic mode about tariffs anymore, but I wouldn't say there's a huge optimism across the board. In Asia as well, I would say there's different scenarios, different stories. In Japan, for example, yes, the outlook is now more positive. Whether it's the relationship with the US, definitely a better tone than other economies in Asia. Weaker yen, it would definitely support this export-oriented manufacturing stocks are rebounding. I think this might continue, might be supported with less tariffs fears in the market. But in China, it's a different story. First, I highly doubt that the news yesterday can support the overall outlook between China and US. We still need more signs about a healthier relationship, I would say. And also in the Chinese market, fears about local demand, local rebound is still the major fear for investors. And I think the war, the tech war that might also loom more in 2025 is still real. And this is why we're seeing most pressure today on the tech stocks and the Hong Kong market.
Right, and Trump has also threatened tariffs on countries that buy oil from Venezuela. How could this impact the oil markets?
I mean, I think it's a very good strategic move at the moment. We need to remember that oil prices were under pressure for quite a while now. We know Donald Trump wants prices to be lower, so I wouldn't say there would be any policy that would bring instability to the oil market or create huge volatility, especially that Donald Trump knows that some of his policies would add more inflation pressure. I don't think the oil market would be one that he would want to have more inflation or volatility in it. We need to remember this comes after, I would say, a couple of weeks of OPEC producing more oil. We're talking about a major player in the oil market, ready to pump around 5 million more oil in the market. So I don't think this news would definitely create huge volatility or rebound. I think it might be a good opportunity on a short time scale for traders maybe to benefit from any news that would support prices, because overall, I think between, or if we want to analyze what's happening between production peaking higher, demand, probably the outlook is now lower, and Donald Trump wanting more oil in the market, news like that, I think would be digested by the market quicker than before.
Farah Murad, Senior Market Analyst at Equiti Group, thank you very much for joining us.